Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials channel. In this video we will be discussing the question, what if I can't connect my chest voice and head voice? What if I can't make this transition without breaking? Okay, there's a solution for you, the lip roll exercise. So I think this is the main exercise for contemporary singers. This exercise is good for beginners and for professionals, and it gives you two things. First of all, the smooth transition from chest voice to head voice, which we are looking for, and sustained airflow. If you are a beginner, you most likely don't have this sustained airflow and the feeling of breath support. So this exercise will give you that. Lip roll or is also almost the same, so I put this exercises at the same place. So how can we practice it? First we can just sing scales like then higher, then higher, higher, higher. Then we hit those transition notes. So we make this transition without breaking. When you do this exercise, when you do this exercise, don't do it like P sounds, like no, do it like B, not like okay. Write your questions. See you in the next videos.